Real Estate Salesperson Paper 1. Basics to Real Estate. There are two classifications of property. Firstly, personal property is movable. For example, your car and furniture, while real property is immovable, which is land and real estate. The thing over which one has rights is known as an asset. The right a person has over the thing is called ownership. There are two meanings to real estate. Firstly, corporeal hereditament refers to property comprising the surface of the earth, including all the things that are inherent in it or are permanently affixed to it. Examples are houses, roads, fences, and others. Next, incorporeal hereditament are the ownership of the real estate that includes transferable rights, interests, and benefits known as the bundle of rights. Right of possession, right to exclude others from your property are some examples. Real estate has four physical characteristics: heterogeneity, immobility, indivisibility, and durability. It is heterogeneous as no two parcels are the same even if they share the same stack and layout as the floor level is different. Real estate is immobile as it is location-specific and cannot be moved. The indivisibility of real estate in the physical sense disallows selling the property partially. Lastly, real estate is durable as it is indestructible in nature. The 6 economic characteristics of real estate are: high transaction cost, illiquidity, long transaction time, long-term maintenance, good hedge against inflation, and government intervention. For high transaction cost, there are many extra costs such as legal cost and stamp duty that add to the cost of the property. Real estate is illiquid, so it cannot be converted to cash quickly. Long transaction time is to be factored in due to legal requisitions and documentations. Owning a property would require long-term maintenance to keep it in a livable state. Since the state owns the land, government intervention may affect property prices. Despite these challenges, real estate is a good hedge against inflation as the price appreciation often matches or exceeds the rate of inflation after a long period of time. This is a summary of the basics of real estate. In summary, you should be able to name two classifications of property. Define the meaning of real estate. Name 4 physical and 6 economic characteristics of real estate with examples. Like, subscribe, share this video. Watch more real estate videos on my channel.